Medical terminology and lingo practice, root words, round 2. This is a continuation of our lesson on root words for our medical terminology and lingo series. Please watch the root words part 1 and part 2 videos before you begin. Links can be found below. Here's the rules. We will give you terms that will contain root words from our root words lesson. Break down each term with the prefixes and the root words that you know. Define the term. There will be 10 questions and you will have 10 seconds on the clock for each question. You can pause for more time. Please note, some terms will have prefixes, root words, and suffixes that you may not know yet. We'll get to those soon, but for now, make yourself aware and challenge yourself with these questions. Hey, just one thing before we begin. You don't want to miss our videos, so hit the subscribe button now. Be the first to see all the new lessons on your feed. Let's begin with question 1. Cholecystitis. You got 10 seconds. This is good practice. Chole means gall or bile. Cyst is for bladder. So cholecyst is a root word for gallbladder. And the suffix itis is for inflammation. Cholecystitis is an inflammation in the gallbladder. Question 2. Myoma. Nice. Myo means muscle, and suffix oma refers to tumor. Myoma is a type of tumor that involves the muscle cells. Question 3. Osteochondroma. I hope you realize there are 2 root words here that we learned in our root words lesson. You see osteo, which is for bone, and chondro, which is cartilage. And the suffix oma, like we saw in question 2, just means tumor. Osteochondroma is a tumor or neoplasm of an area of bone and cartilage. Question 4. Myasthenia. Yes, I know you see the 2 root words. Myo is for muscle, and astheni refers to weakness. Finally, we have a little suffix ia at the end for an abnormal condition. Myasthenia is an abnormal condition of muscle weakness. We see this in the example myasthenia gravis, right? Okay, nice. Well done. Moving on to question 5. Xenograft. Remember in our lesson we talked about the root words allo and xeno? Allo referred to a different human that wears workout clothes every day even though they don't work out. And xeno is for different, foreign, or alien. Then we have graft, which is for organ or tissue that is used for transplantation. Xenograft is an organ or tissue from an animal of one species that is transplanted to an animal or human of another species. Question 6. Hemarthrosis. Here we have hemo for blood, arthro for joint, and osis is a suffix for abnormal condition. Hemarthrosis is an abnormal condition of bleeding in a joint. Question 7. Tracheotomy. Okay, right away you see trachea in the term. And otomy is a suffix for surgical incision. So we have tracheotomy is a surgical incision into the trachea. Question 8. Nephrolithiasis. So we have 2 root words here. Nephro, which means kidney, and litho, which we spoke about to mean stone or calculus. And iasis is a suffix for abnormal condition. Nephrolithiasis is an abnormal condition of kidney stones. Question 9. Gynecomastia. You're doing great. Gyneco, it stands out and it means female. We also have mast in this term, which stands for the mammary gland or breast. And the suffix ia just means abnormal condition. So gynecomastia is an abnormal condition of feminine breast tissue or abnormally large breasts in men. Okay, last question. Question 10. Hidradenitis. You remember the trick we spoke about for hydro? We said something hydro is for watery, and hydro is for sweat. And there's another root word here, adeno, which means gland. And finally, we have itis, which is for inflammation. Hidradenitis is an inflammation of a sweat gland. Wow, soon enough, you'll only be talking fancy in medical terms. Before you go, here's a bonus question for the overachievers. Otorhinolaryngology. Take your time and break down all the root words you see. Define them and please comment how you did it below. I want to see how you're thinking. Guys, feel free to repeat the lessons on prefixes and the root words. Do the practice rounds again. More you look at it, the deeper it goes into the brain. Now, next up in the medical terminology and lingo series is our lesson on suffixes. Go watch it. If you'd like to see more of this lesson, head over to our Instagram page and TikTok channel at rev.med. We'll have this lesson along with many other topics for you to study. By the way, don't forget to do questions. Are you learning something from our videos? Well then click the subscribe button to your right. We are releasing high-yield lessons and ways for you to get ahead in class. Be sure to follow us on Instagram to take interactive quizzes and view your favorite diagrams. Nothing can stop you, but only if you believe in yourself. You got this.